Hey guys, you may ask yourself, why is Mark standing in front of the garage? Well, it's because this is a teaser episode. It's only a couple minutes long because we can't bring you a video this week because we're still getting everything ready for the big unveiling of our new project, which is about 3 feet inside this door. So it's right here, it's here, and we're super excited about it, but we can't reveal it to you yet until next week. So Andy's working hard doing all the editing, and we're getting parts and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned till next week, and we'll show you the big project, the most aggressive and expensive and kind of scary project that we've ever had. So we'll see you next week. So what's going on now is I'm still waiting on these guys to get
Redacted.
out to me. It's probably been here 30 or 45 minutes, and they're not able to find the key yet. So they're looking for the key. At least the car is in their garage, so that's where they kept it stored this whole time. So he says once they find the key, they're going to actually drive it out here instead of bringing it out on a forklift. So that's wild. I've never seen them do that before. And then once we get it the way we want it, then he'll set it up on the trailer for us, because we didn't bring ramps because they're just, for that big long haul, those things are so heavy we took them off. So we'll see how this works. Hopefully they find everything.